Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Oh, it's the Liwa Mashinga is here. It's on a Sunday. I'm having a vlog. I'm just going out to another location, so I want you to go with me. This is where I work. This is Waterfall in South Africa. Country estate, Waterfall country estate. Look at this, guys. Look at the green. Look at the scenery. Look at the scenario. Huh? Oh, it's hot. Hey, welcome everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel at Deliwa Mashingaidze YouTube channel. I welcome everybody. I welcome the new subscribers. Welcome. Feel at home, my friends. Welcome to the happy family. Welcome to the happy family. I love you all. To the returning subscribers, welcome, my loved ones, my lovies, my darlings. Wow. And out of my outfit for today. Hey, it's hot. Woo. I'm burning my eyes. Woo. This sun is too hot. Look, guys. Look where I'm staying, where I'm working. Look at the houses where the rich ones hide. That's where I am. This is called Waterfall City. The celebrities, they stay in this estate. It's situated in Midrand. It's called Waterfall City, near Mall of Africa. So just go with me, guys. I'm on my journey to see a friend. I'm visiting a friend. It's on a Sunday. I'm just going there for the day. Then I'll come back late. Because yesterday I was working. So today I'm like, let me just go out and refresh myself. You see where I'm going, where I'm moving. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Waterfall City. Waterfall City. That's me. That's your girl. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Share. Comment. Like my videos. Hi, guys. I have to buy a selfie stick. Because with this hand like this, I won't win it. Just look, guys. How do I look? I'm glowing. Look. That's your girl. On Facebook, I go by the name Gogoranyaki. That's my Facebook page. Please just go and follow me. On TikTok, I'm Delisha. I go by the name Delisha. So just go there, please. Just follow me on those platforms. Yeah. Instagram. I don't have yet. I have to activate it. Okay, my guys. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Look. See, this video, it's raw and cut. Look at the houses. So cute. So big. Oh, it's a jaguar. Is that not my boss? Yo, I think it's my boss, jaguar. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, yo. Okay, let me put on pause. Oh, yes, guys. No, I'm coming out of the gate. You know, the security, they just take too long to serve me. Let's go out. You know, this is a gated community. It has security here, but it's so safe. When you are in here, it's so safe. And even on the streets, there are cameras, all this boundary, electric fence. Yo, it's a good and safe community that you are working and staying in. Oh, guys. Oh, just go with me. Now I'm going to be in a taxi, going to Tembisa. That's Tembisa, where I'm going. So, this is raw and uncut. Look at it. Hey, oh, love you all. You know, I miss my grandchild. I miss Nyakano, guys. I miss him. I miss him so much. I miss him. I miss my boy. You know, on weekend, if I don't go there, that means I don't have to see him. But if I'm off duty, I'm at home. I'm always with my boy. But today, I'm not with him. I miss him. I'll see him next Friday. Yes, this is your girl, guys. I'm just vlogging today. Just vlogging in the streets. Look at this. Look, just look. Nice roads, clean environment, everything. Look at the roads. Look at this. Everything is so smart. It's on point, everything. It's on point. It's on point. Just look. That is our robot. It's the intersection. It's the robot. It's the robot. Here. We just cross the road here. Cross the road. Look at it. Oh, yo. There are people waiting for jobs. There's another guy there. Another tree. I think he's waiting for something. I don't know. Let me just go. Oh, there's a taxi going. Jesus. That's it. There's a taxi going. Oh my goodness. Sure. Let me just cross. Be with me, my guys. Let me just cross. I'm crossing. See? Those are the schools. That's Mall of Africa. The Netk is there. Look at the roads. Look how beautiful it is. Look how beautiful. The streets, the intersection, the robots. Okay, let me just cross. Oh. I'm running. Just cross. Woo. I'm running. Whoa. Yeah, I'm on the other side. Oh, I'm on the other side. Just ran. I have to wait for a taxi here at this corner. Look at the cars. Look at this. There is Netk there. If you can sit, that's Netk or private hospital. It's written Mall of Africa. It's just the road signs. Show that way. When you want to go to Mall of Africa, use this way. This way. It will lead you to Mall of Africa. You see there are the houses behind these buildings. That one is Accenture. Oh, here's the taxi. I don't know how to. I don't know the signs. to use on these taxis. Look, guys, there's the cars, motorbikes. This is a road, busy road. It's similar like Drive and Waterfall Drive. Yeah. So let me just wait here. There's another taxi that is coming. Let me just try. Let me just try. Be with me, guys. I'm in a taxi. Guys, see, that's see the buildings, the tall buildings. This area, this one is called what? I don't know this one. I know. And that one is the Luma. See the tall building. And the Netcare hospital is that side. Oh, now I'm on my way to Mall of Africa. This is Luma, the Luma Club. And the PWC, that long building. Driver njani? Sorry ngiyayenza video. But angithathanga ngibekisa abantu nje just where I'm going. Ngiyenza YouTube video. So now I'm in a tunnel. Yeah, I'm out of the tunnel. You see? These are clean roads in South Africa. Now, go with me, guys. Go with me. Now we are in the Mall of Africa. You see? This is Mall of Africa. You can see there. It's written Mall of Africa. Mall of Africa. This is the biggest mall here. It's so clean. So clean. Now we are going in the rank. Just go with me, guys. And I don't know where I'm going. Just go with me.
This is Babyface.
Bilena, blue and white. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Oh, guys, I'm going out of the car. Yeah, you know, here we use the public transport. All these taxis, yeah, are going to the location. I think I'm getting this one. Yeah. Okay. Go with me, guys. Let me ask you this girl. Which taxi am I? Salman and good. Ngicela ukubuza i-taxi yeSangweni. Yole. Okay, yenza malini? 20 rand. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, I got the taxi, guys. Now I'm going. But I'm only one in the taxi. Yo. I'll wait until it's full. I don't know what time. Nice. I'll wait. Yeah? Is the taxi started? Yeah, Puma. Where you? Apa ma robot. Lawa. Kune unamanye ama-taxi akhona la.
Adlulayo abheke lokishini.
Ayadlula.
Mabe khona mhlawumbe uzoyithola uyagibela kodwa ungatholanga uzobuza ukugibela la.
Yazi into yokuthi lapho yakhona ukwazi sabe ulahleka. Angifuni ukulahleka. Otherwise kholawa asuka kuphi lawa awangeni lana lawa ama-taxi utsho awangene la
Lapha eThekwini adlula la.
ayadlula ngestrada awangeni. Okay, so kumele ngiyozama la lana awami ama-robot lawa anzansi nyana.
Yeah. Lawa la.
Ala ngikhomba u-6. Okay, laba bama-taxi ngeke bazongihlukumeza nje. Uyabazi sometimes athi buyana bheke eTaxi uyakuphi? Yeah?
Banokwenza phela ngaphasenga phambili.
Banokwenza? So okay. Kumele ngiyenze ngiyazi ukuthi ngiyenzani. Mana ngiyozama because lapho ngiyakhona angikwazi and kumele ngiyafika kuthiwa Sangweni and then ngibele Ramasut.
Sure.
Ha?
Ukufika nje erenkeni. Awunyobhesi bazongibuyisela eRabasuthu. Noma uhlika na erenkeni futhi.
Ngiyabuza nje ama-sign. I-sign ngiyaziyo nge-4 ways run back but ngilana ngazi ukuthi uyayikhomba nje eJoburg phezulu. Yeah, kuphela. Ne-Cosmo City ngathi. I-Cosmo obvious yes. Manje lawo yo kunzima sizowafunda nje. Alright, mana ngiyozama lapho. If ngayitholanga ngiyabuya bheke la. Manje lo ubuye nami uzongithi hey wena.
Ngeke ngisho kanjalo.
Ngeke njalo. Alright. Okay, bhuti wami. Yeah, guys, I'm with you. I'm in a taxi.
Yeah.
This is the brother of mine. He's our chauffeur today.
Yeah.
Our taxi driver. Which one? Igama lakho? Umachaka. Wasepulukwane ngihamba no. Ngabhuti ubhuti Machaka wase stand up. 11. Wasepulukwane. And nomunye ubhuti wami lo. Yes, ubhuti bando. Bhuti Mathias, unjani mfowethu? Yeah, ngishaphi mina.
Yeah.
Siyachacha i-video lene YouTube yazi. Ukuthi sometimes maybe singazama zama. Yes, yabo.
Khonanyana.
Yeah, ayaphuma.
Yeah. Amara let's deal zamile msingoni.
Yeah. Ngizamile yes.
Bona lo munye ubhuti omunye kade subscriber ngo-25,000 kanti hayi abantu bakuthanda.
Yazi so. Bayifakile. Hayi izongena. Into yonke ifunakala ukuthi kube le patience kuphela. Imalini kweSangweni? 20 rand. Okay. Look at the roads, guys. These are the nice roads. See? Also, it's my first time to go there. So let's go together. Then we see what we have that side. Look at the roads. So nice roads, so clean. So only the robots are not working. It's not shedding.
It's Sunday.
It's Sunday. Eish. Look at the roads, guys. We are now on our way to Sangweni in Tembisa, somewhere there. Yeah. Let's go together. Let's go together. With you, my family. So look at the roads. Look at the roads. Hey. South Africa has got nice roads. This is Africa for you guys. My international audience, you see. This is South Africa. Nice and clean place. The roads are so clean, are so nice. The taxis. And on the robots, there are guys who are selling. This one is selling some cool time. He's trying to make a living. This is Ruby Ridge. This way it goes to Ruby Ridge. Oh, there's someone there. Yeah. Okay. Guys, look called Fontaine, Tembisa. It's another location called Fontaine, Tembisa in South Africa. In South Africa, Fontaine View. Okay, see? Fontaine. There's a filling station called Puma. Fontaine View. It's called Lord's View Industrial Park. This side. Look at the roads, guys. Look at the greenery. Look at the scenario. It's so beautiful. Beautiful. It's too hot. Very hot, very hot, very hot. This is Mamelodi Sundowns. What is this for? Yeah, in the airport. Mamelodi Sundowns. Oh, yes, Mamelodi Sundowns. Oh, the football club of South Africa, which is called Mamelodi Sundowns. This is their camping area. Okay, see, it's yellow, like their uniform, yellow and green. Mamelodi Sundowns. Look. Okay. This area is for scrap. Where they sell scrap, metal, aluminium, copper, everything. They sell it here. People, they bring it here and sell. Look at this. Look at the baby. My mom is carrying the bags, the daddy carrying the baby on his shoulders. That's Africa for you guys. That's what we do. Now we are entering Tembisa. It's Pumlong. Okay, Pumlong, Tembisa. Because as we are from Midrand, that is Midrand, all of Africa, now we are in the Pumlong, Tembisa. And Tembisa is so big. Very, very, very big. Very, very big. You see, look at the houses there. It's called Pumlong, Tembisa. Pumlong, Tembisa. You can see it. Today I want to show you guys. I'm vlogging here. I want to show you so that you will see the houses in South Africa. You see, there are back rooms at the back, the main house. Some of the yards, there's no main houses. There is only the back rooms because the government builds the RDPs, they call them RDPs here. The RDP contains like just 2 bedrooms, a dining which is just with the kitchen there and the bathroom inside. Yeah, that's it. Oh, Jericho. See, this is Pumlong. Yeah, there's another taxi there, which is the means of transport in South Africa. These are the taxis. Yeah. There is another one we call Quantum, like this one. Yeah. This is CIA.
Yeah.
This is our old.
The old one.
Yeah, and they are very strong.
Exactly.
You see this one, that one? Yeah,
This
that one is Quantum, and the Quantum,
Yeah, quantum.
it's Quantum, but it's not strong like a CIA. No, CIA. If you have CIA here in South Africa and you are doing this taxi business, you know you have got a good car. Quantum, it's nice at looking at it, but it's not strong. It's made of cardbox. But this one, the CIA is metal. Yeah. Guys, yeah. I'll take you. Go with me. I want you to see where I'm going, guys.
This
Let's
is
go
a Patient
together.
Crest Mall.
Which one?
Patient Crest Mall.
Patient Crest.
Yeah, Patient Crest Mall.
Okay, Patient Crest Mall. Okay. See, guys, there's a footbridge here, so that people from this location going to the mall, they won't cross here walking. They just cross over. They walk on top of. You see, that is the footbridge. Yeah, you see. You see, now we are in the Kasi, where everything happens. Pumlong, Kasi, where everything happens.
Yes.
Life is very quick here. Very quick, very quick. It's fast life here.
Yeah.
There is a mall that side. Beach.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Becha
Becha Crest. Oh, okay. Thank you. Becha Crest. You see? Yeah, life here. If you are here, yeah, it's so nice during the day.
Yeah,
But
nice.
at night, when it's just 7 o'clock, you must be in the doors. Otherwise, the guys, they will catch you. They will come for you. But during the day, it's a nice place. It's good to be in the location. You see, the girls are going to the
Mall.
mall. Today it's Sunday. Eh?
Yeah.
They're going for dance, meeting their new boyfriends.
Yes.
The ones they meet on Facebook or TikTok or on WhatsApp.
Yeah.
You see, they are on the robots. And there's Sasso garage there. Yeah. Life is so good. Life is so good, so good. That's where people live here. Where I'm staying there.
Traffic cop, however, I'm going to run down.
Oh, yo.
Yeah.
There is our big brothers here. The traffic cops. JMPG. These ones. Yeah. Let me see. Otherwise, they'll take my phone. See? It's happening. It's happening. They are everywhere. They are everywhere, the traffic cops. You see them? They are everywhere. At least I catch them. You know this one, if they see you taking a picture, yeah, bring that phone here. Delete. Yeah, see guys. Yeah.
Yes, El Ralala station.
Ra?
El Ralala.
Ralala.
El Ralala station.
Rehalala. Oh, it's the train station.
Yes.
Rehalala train station.
Ralala.
Okay. See, this one for the buses, if you're waiting for the buses. Reavaya. And there's the footbridge here also. People from this side going the other side to the location or the train station, they use that. That's our
This is a plaza. Tembisa.
plaza.
Yeah, plaza. Shop
Plaza.
right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, Tembisa Plaza
Yeah, Tembisa
too.
Plaza.
Yeah, there's shops like ShopRite, Ackermans, Dibonese, OK Furnitures, Cash Bills, everything, yeah? Yeah. It's a nice place. And some people, they're doing blocks there on the roadside, selling. Yeah. For you to survive here, You should just hustle. Hustling. Well, sometimes when you work and then you're not hustling, the money is not enough. Everything is very expensive. Very. Everything is very expensive.
So now we are in Sangwe.
Sangwe, now we are going Sangwe. Oh, this is Sangwe.
Yeah, this is Sangwe.
Now we are going to the Rengi.
Yeah, the Rengi.
Oh, okay.
This is space for sale. Zepo. Lo makanikilo.
Oh, space.
Oh, yeah. Zepro.
Zep space.
Okay, yeah. Zepro space. Yeah. And the footbridge are all over. Yeah. Because they don't want people to be knocked down by the cars. Before the footbridge, they've been knocked down so many. Okay, now we are in Sangwe.
Yeah, Sangwe.
Okay, such it is. Super Zebs. And there is
a chicken for Sangwe.
Oh, okay. And the fish and chips. The chicken licken. Oh, wow. Okay. Oh, thank you so much, my brother.
Thanks, Memory.
We had a nice together.
I just want to give you a nice car.
Yes. Okay, thank you. Yeah. This is my brother. Thank you so much. He's so lovely. Yeah.
Enjoy your team.
Yeah. Thank you so much. And you also enjoy your day, carrying people, putting them to their places.
Yeah.
That's a good. That's a good job.
Yeah.
You know when you are working with people. You see, guys, I jumped from one taxi to another. Oh, I'm sorry about the music. Okay. I jumped from one taxi to another. Now I'm with another driver.
You pay me to take me a picture.
Sorry. So goats, look at the goats. This is the goats eating on the rubbish, eating the veggies. Look at the goats. This is what is here. It's Tembisa. Goats now in a different position. They're making bricks. They sell sand. Make bricks down there. Make sand just to spreading the bricks. This one. What truck? Give me the brick. Guys, go with me.
Singakuseka abasuthu. Santanani. Singakuseka abasuthu.
Nanyera abasuthu police station.
The last time in line.
Abasuthu police station. Maybe to change. Go with me, guys.
Now, Mom, tell them.
Hey, I changed the text again. I'm in other text. I think this is the fourth one. Yeah, that's what we do here. We change texts from one to another. So go with me. Let's go, guys. Yeah, I am where I'm going. This is the area. The text dropped me here. I'm in the area called Rabasutu. That's where I am now. Let me just cross the road. Be with me, guys, be with me. I am going where I'm going now. I think I've reached the destination for today, Sunday. Guys, thank you for coming with me all the way this journey that we had together. Yeah, this is where I am. You can see the area. It's a cool place area. It's a nice one. This is called Tembisa Rabasutu. So that's where I'm coming. I have to meet someone. So guys, there is a bus station where you wait for the buses. When you wait for the buses, when it's coming, you take your rear fire there. So I'm here, guys. You can see. Just look at the area. So nice and clean, Rabasutu. So guys, thank you for being. Yeah, I reached the place that I was going. So guys, I'll see you in my next video. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you have enjoyed being with me all the way. I take you from Waterfall City to the location in Tembisa. This is how I spent my day today. So I'm going to meet a friend. Oh, okay. Anyway, for the sake of the friend, she doesn't like the camera, so I'll just say bye bye, my friends. I love you all. Please subscribe, share, like my videos. Let me just cut off here, and then I'll call my friend. So guys, thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. May you subscribe, comment, share, like the video. This is Deliwa Mashinga is there for you. On Facebook, I'm Gogo Banyaki, and on TikTok, that's Delisha. On YouTube channel, that's Deliwa Mashinga is there. Thank you. I thank you, everyone. And this place, it's not safe. It's not safe at all. There are people that robs people in this area. Hello. Right, Njang. The cops were asking me what am I doing? Why am I taking the pictures? I told him no. It's the selfie. Because I'm near the police station. So it's a selfie. I love you. Bye.